Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients and tools for Ginseng Oolong tea. Use 1 teaspoon, 2 grams of Ginseng Oolong per 6 ounces, 180 ml of water, and measure with a small scale or spoon. Have a 16-ounce teapot or a 250 ml gaywen, a kettle that reaches 195 degrees F, a timer, and a small strainer. Choose filtered water to avoid off flavors and heat it to 195 degrees F, 90 degrees C. Prepare a warm cup to preserve temperature when pouring. Begin brewing with a quick rinse. Pour 195 degrees F water over the leaves for 10 seconds, then discard that rinse to open the ginseng aroma. For the first infusion, steep 30 seconds at 195 degrees F, then pour. Increase steeping time by 15 seconds for each subsequent infusion to maintain balance. Use 1 teaspoon per 6 ounces and expect 4 to 6 infusions total, tasting each cup and noting when the sweetness fades. Pour evenly to distribute concentration across servings. Serve Ginseng Oolong in warmed cups to keep the tea near 160 degrees F for several minutes and preserve aroma. If you want a sweeter cup, add 1 thin slice of fresh ginseng or a drop of honey. Taste after each addition. Store dry leaves in an airtight container away from light and heat, ideally under 68 degrees F. Reuse leaves for multiple infusions. Refrigerate brewed tea within 2 hours and consume within 24 hours to maintain freshness and flavor integrity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.